Well, hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I'm going to journal in my 2019 A6 Hobonichi Techo. So get out your journals and let's just play. So on Wednesday morning, I was originally going to go over and have coffee at my mom and dad's, but I had worked Tuesday night and I was just tired. I was like, dude, I'm just gonna go back to bed. So that's what I did. So I texted her in the morning and I was like, I just got to get some more sleep. She's like, obviously, she's like, yeah, knock yourself out. So that's what I did, and that's kind of what I was journaling about. But I was printing off a picture from the kids when they went to the science center with my in-laws over Thanksgiving break. They took a picture in this little, like where you stick your head in and you smile. That didn't make any sense. But anyways, I thought it was super cute, so I put that in where the little tip in for when they went to the science center. And then I'm just giving you guys a little flip through of the last couple of days. I know you guys didn't see a lot of this. Some of it was the culmination of some happy mail that I had just gotten from friends from across the pond. And I had just had so much fun putting it in there and just memory keeping it all. So basically every bit I could scrounge from envelope and letter and postcard, I just kind of tried to get in there. So it was just really sweet. And let's see, that picture of Skinny, he was laying on the stairs in like a shaft of sunlight. It looked like the most uncomfortable place to lay. It would be like laying on the top of like the edge of a building. Super relaxing, but he was loving life, and well, I love that. And I just loved that like image of him, his eyes like cracked open, like, what the hell do you want? It was just the mood that day. It was the mood. And so I put that in there, and I ordered a t-shirt for Michael from sodastick.com. It's a Minnesota like sports t-shirts and stuff brand. So if you have a Minnesota lover in your life, check out SodaStick. My husband loves that stuff, and it's very Minnesota. So that sticker came on the package, and so I just put it in my journal. And what else? Just washi. And I had stuck in a note that she had written me, Sarah, in her Happy Mail. And so one side of it was blank. And Addie had brought this home from school. And it's the cutest thing. To the world, you're just a mom. But to me, you're awesome. I was like, well, I got to keep that because that is awesome. So I folded it up, and I had these little envelopes that I had gotten in a pack from, I'm not sure where. They might have been in like a little clearance basket at Joann's or something. And so I just put some double-sided tape on there and stuck it on the back of that so that I would have a place to tuck her little note that I just thought was the cutest thing. That running water sound is the dryer. Whoa, the herd of elephants running upstairs. I don't know what that is. Oh, good Lord. I should probably go check it out. Oh, Lord. Tell me you guys can hear that. There's only 2 small children up there. What are they doing? That's worrisome. But I'm still going to stay down here. And then I just had this picture of a cactus in one of my American Crafts books, and I put it on the other side of that note. And I just wrote, with my Poscas, you have no reason to be prickly. Because sometimes I can just be kind of a prickly bitch. And like this spread right here is just like proof that I have no reason to get prickly. Because I'm just very lucky to have you guys and to have my kids that write me sweet notes. And, it's just
gratitude.
I'm just trying to remind myself to be grateful, and which generally I am, but sometimes you just need the reminder. So I liked that, and I added a little sun in the corner with my Posca. And that was basically that. There are so many tip-ins in here that it's getting it's getting chunky and it's getting a little bit unwieldy. But so I'm glad that December is almost over. I want to put in even, more tip-ins because that's what I love. But I don't know, guys. I can't. The hump is getting so big, and I'm afraid I'm damaging the spine when I turn it because I can see some of the strings pulling. Because I'm giving her a workout. Like, there's no lie. I'm not sure it was designed for the punishment that I'm putting it through. So I don't know. We're just holding on. We're just holding on and hoping that the whole thing doesn't fall apart, come off the rails. So that was all those tip-ins. I mean, could I go any more crazy? It's like for 2 pages, I add 5. Oh, and that was the end of that little sit-down session. This was over a couple days. This is a little, it's from an ad. I think it's from one of those cleaning brands that's like clean. I can't remember which one though. But I just loved it. It was like a little stick figure with a little stick tree. And I just thought it was so cute. So I tore it out of the magazine and put it in there. And this is a picture of, okay, I shit you not, this was so funny. Well, this is a poem that Heather wrote me about winter, and it's amazing. It's called, I Hate the Stupid Snow, or something like that. I loved it. And so I printed that out and put that in there. And then also a picture of a screenshot of my mom texting me that gif of the person drinking the giant cup of coffee, and then me texting her the word coffee, ? We texted each other at exactly the same time on Wednesday night, 9:20. Like mine did, like the incoming ding and the outgoing ding happened at the same time, and it sounded like my phone farted. It was weird. And then I was like, did we just text each other at the same time? It was so weird. It was hilarious. She's like, wow, talk about a wavelength. It was just funny. I've never experienced anything quite like that. And then I was just writing about, let's see, how I went to Tuesday morning and got some stuff for the kids' stockings. And let's see, we've been painting magnets like crazy people. Addie and I are loving the magnet painting, and maybe me more so. I've been painting a lot of magnets. I don't know why, I just find it so relaxing and fun. And so yeah, I guess you just got to do what you got to do. And she had gymnastics on Friday night, and we just have like a quiet weekend planned, which is just so nice and refreshing. And then I'm sticking in some snowflakes. This is from the American Crafts Season sticker book that someone sent me, and that I have also, Anne sent me this, I think, and yes. And then I've also seen it at Tuesday morning. When I was there picking out stocking stuff, I didn't see it, but I saw a lot of other ones, like the Amy Tangerine one and a whole bunch of them. But the Seasons one, like I've said a zillion times, I would recommend. It's really cute. And then that little cup of fancy coffee I put in there because Addie had dance on Thursday night, I'm sorry. And it was Starbucks was buy one, get one free. So my friend Kia, one of Addie's little friend's moms at dance, she brought me an apple cider from Starbucks because I've never tried their apple cider before. And I gotta say, I mean, it was super sweet that she brought it to me. I loved that because I've been wanting to try it. It wasn't my favorite. It was a little bit too like creamy or something and sweet. Like I like a little bit of tart, like more apple tart in mine. And it was just a little bit too like, I'm not sure, sweet, I guess, which is odd because I have a sweet tooth. And I don't know, but it was interesting. And then I put a little chipboard sticker that said hanging out because basically that's just kind of what we do at dance on Thursday nights. We just sit around this table and wait for our kids to be done. And I just love it. I have these 4 friends that are the moms of other little kids in dance, and we just hit it off, the 4 of us. Carrie, Maggie, Kia, and Emily. We just have so much fun at dance, like waiting for our kids, just chatting. It's just like, it's hard to make friends as an adult, like that aren't related to work, or I don't know. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but like, it's just, I just really enjoy their company. And we have a lot of fun together and a lot of laughs. And so, yeah, I was just I'm thankful for them. And then I came back and I realized my pages were looking so empty because I hadn't prepared December yet, because December snuck up on me like a thief in the night and I had no time. So I put some watercolor on Saturday, and then one of my Fomemo little words, I kind of traced over it with one of my Sarasa vintage color pens to darken it up. And then I stuck that in there. I love that font. It's so pretty. And then I went back to Thursday and Friday and added in some watercolor, just because I enjoy doing it. So, yeah, I kind of colored in the little bird that I stuck in. That was from that Freeze and Season Carpe Diem, or not Carpe Diem, Simple Stories scrapbook kit from 2 years ago. I think it was 2018. And then I just watercolored in a little bit of that ad too, like on the little Christmas tree ornaments and stuff. And then just the white space, because, it can always get busier. When you think a spread has a lot of shit on it, you can always just add more. But I just love that, you guys. It's what I like. It's the process. I enjoy doing it. And so, you just go with it. I like it. So, I've realized a lot of people have asked if I write down like deep thoughts in here. Like, I do write down like worries and concerns and encouragement and stuff like that, but a lot of it's just kind of turned into memory keeping. So I'm excited for the A5 to have more room to write, so that'll be good. Friday night, Michael and I put the kids to bed and to do their reading. They each have to read, every night, and he's like, "You want to go downstairs and play ping pong?" I was like,
"Is that a metaphor?"
No, we christened the ping pong table. No, not like that. We played ping pong on the ping pong table that my kids got for Christmas, and we had so much fun. He won every game because he's himself. But I put up a pretty good fight. It was really fun. And so I put in those cat, like, Iranian stretching stickers and the fan, and I just wrote about how we played ping pong, and it was fun. And then I had those, like, vintage-looking, like, die-cut things from, I think it was a Tim Holtz pack from Tuesday Morning, like, a long time ago. And so I put invitational tournament and then, like, a ticket. Yeah, we had a lot of fun. Granted, my skills probably would have been increased had I not had a couple blue moons. But, that's fun. So, and then I put in some washi, and this washi is so fun. It's like these little shapes and just different random stuff. And I think it's MT brand. I'd have to look. And then that Sunday washi, I love that, like hand-lettery look. And then I put in a sticker just because I wanted to write that Addie had open gym at the gymnastics place to make up for a class that we missed over Thanksgiving. And she's just loving gymnastics, so I'm excited about that for her. And I'm kind of wondering if Henry would really like tumbling. I'm not sure. I mean, he loves karate. He might really like tumbling. I'm not sure. So, I don't know. It would be expensive to have them both in it. That's for damn sure. You guys, these kids, bleeding us dry. No, it's worth it. Thank you guys for sitting down and journaling with me, and for subscribing and being awesome. You guys are amazing, and I hope you're having a good weekend. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.